In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix Sam's Club session expired error. Let's get started. First, completely sign out of your account and sign back in. This creates a new login session and often resolve the error immediately. Next up, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you're on Wi-Fi, you can give a fresh restart to your router as well. Also toggle on for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Sam's Club. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Sam's Club and then launch it. Now go ahead and click on the option Offload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Next, head back. If you are connected to a VPN or proxy server, disconnect from it. So head over to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you haven't connected your device to any VPN service. Likewise, check the server status of Sam's Club. So launch your preferred browser, head over to the website and detector. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, contact Sam's Club member support. That's all for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.